Alright, boys and girls, in today's episode of Flex Custom Garage, we're gonna be restoring these highway packs. These are specifically for model Honda VTX 1800, but unfortunately they're pretty much beat up, and I will show you now. As you can see, there is a corrosion here, over here all the way down. Here you can see the shine of the chrome is not that good anymore. It has a lot of dirt here, and here underneath, look at that screw, it's completely rusted. And on this one the same, look at that bad face. Actually something was rubbing here for a long time, because it's, or someone tried to fix it, but it's pretty much beat up. Look at that. Look at that scratches. And yeah, here as well. You can see a yellow part. And what we're gonna do today, it's just those simple techniques to restore the shine and remove the rust that it's been sitting here for a long time. So what we need, first thing first, soap water. It's working just fine. I'm gonna need a nice pad for our drill, and the final thing, white wax, works pretty fine. Gonna use another type of polish for the rough places. Actually, we're gonna be using this paste with this toothbrush. So let's get to it. So just removed all the screws and the washers. Look at those. Pretty bad, huh? All right, fast forward. So we removed the packs. Are pretty much beat up. So what we're gonna do is just try to bring them back to life, restore a bit the chrome so it can shine the proper way again. All right, got this one. Let's clean it up. There is a smart trick you can do. So just hold the brush and you wash this one, it's like a brand new. All right, think we're done. Just gonna quick rinse it with the water. Okay, there you go. Right now, I think we're ready for a polish. Before that, I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other pack, and then gonna start working on the brackets, which has a lot more work to do. So we're gonna let this one to dry until we start working on the brackets. Here it's gonna be the same procedure, but we're gonna be working with a sandpaper 3000 here and on this part, but here it's pretty faded, so I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. Let's start with this one first. Alright, so far got a pretty good result. Very nice and shiny. Even though they're beat up, the chrome is in a good condition. There is a spot right here that is pretty beat up, and you can see the steel through the chrome. But as you can see, you leave a finger there is a spot right here. This is the bad thing about a chrome there. Once you clean it up, you touch it, you leave a finger on it. That's how it goes. But there's nothing beautiful than a chromey bike. I'm happy with it because I don't think we can do any better than that at the current situation and condition of the chrome. But we still got one step to go when we're polishing. So I believe that, and we got a two kind of polish we're gonna be doing. Let's move to the other one. This one gonna be harder because it's more beat up than this one. As it's still wet, but definitely we got an improvement. This place here, the corner, as I told you, was pretty much beat up from the location where the floor pegs are sitting. Let's clean it up and get ready for polish. Job well done. I don't even think that it needs another one layer of polish, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I know it works even better in the long term. Because when you polish it, you're basically adding a layer on top of the chrome that is protecting it from the weather, from riding in the rocky places where small rocks can hit the chrome or the dirt. So once I polish it, whenever I decide to wash the bike, the water will go just right off the chrome without needing to polish it again. You just swipe with the towel and you're good to go.
Purchase your tracks today.
Good. Now let me show you why we do all that. Once I add the water on it, it doesn't even stay on it. You see? Here you go. There is no water.
Purchase your tracks today.
All right, so I put them all together. They're ready. Gonna look at them tomorrow on the daylight so you can really see, because right now you can't really understand how shiny they become. Very good results. You don't need a professional shop to polish chrome. With the right tools and the right compounds, you can do it pretty much DIY in your garage. So this is pretty much, guys. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned something, if it was helpful for you, please subscribe to the channel. This channel is pretty new, so any support will be much appreciated, and see you next time.